What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm just going to show you how you can customize your iPad slash iPhone using Widgy. So as you can see, I have the time here, the time, the date, the day. It shows me 100% on how far my display is showing. It shows me the volume, also shows me the battery percent. Then over here I have a calendar widget, and it just shows me calendar. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I had a friend on Twitter. They wanted to know how I customize my iPad because they were like, I would like to do that. That's pretty nice. They were tired of their iPad looking boring, which I can agree. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So first, let's just go over to my apps. And then you want to find the App Store. And once you go in there, you want to type in Widgy. So you just want to type in Widgy. Well, not Widget 5, but Widgy. Here it is right here. So this is a free app to download, but if you want certain kind of modules and things like that, there is like one-time fee to where you'll be able to use 2 widgets on the same page or more widgets. So it's like $8.99 one-time purchase. So you will be able to have 2 widgets, or I can even set up a 3rd widget on another page. But once you go download that, then you want to go locate the app on your iPad or iPhone. And this is what it's this is the main layout. So up here it says create. If you want to make one yourself, it says create. Import. If you come here, you can import. It says you can import any file made in Widgy. The import won't convert the file to any other format, for example, Widgy to Watchy. So you can import files there, or you can come down here. It says widget backup. So if you have some widget backups, you can import your widget backups. You can come here to what's new and read about that. You get your help page, and then you get your help translating if you need that. But down here, don't worry about these yet. I'll explain to these to you in a minute. These are just some of the widgets that I am currently using right now or have used in the future. And these are some of the widgets that I have bought from some developers that made their widgets. But if you come down here, you get a home page. This says home. This is a lock screen, because you can use this for you can get widgets for for home widgets. You can get widgets for lock screen. You could get live widgets if that's something you're into, and you could get widgets for your watch if you have an Apple Watch. But we're going to go back to the home page. So say you want to go set up a widget. So what you would need to do, hold down on your home screen, slide over to the left. We're just going to use this new slate right here. Come up here, you want to hit edit. Once you hit edit, you want to add a widget. Hold on, messed up. Once you hit edit, come here, you want to add a widget. Once you get in here, you just want to scroll and find Widgy. Once you click on Widgy, it'll give you different kind of size widgets. So the first widget you get is small. Then you get medium. And then you get large. And then I also get extra large, only because I paid to unlock all the features. So if you do not pay to unlock all the features, you will only have a choice of getting the small widget, the medium widget, and getting the large widget. And if you do not pay, you'll only be able to set one widget from the whole app. But with me paying and unlocking it, I'm able to have as many widgets on my home screen using this app as I want to. So once you find the widget that you want, the home screen that you want, all you want, the layout that you want, all you want to do is just tap it to add it to your home screen. You can move it wherever you would like. Okay, and then once you're done there, all you would need to do is click inside of the widget. And this is a medium widget. So once you find that medium widget, you can come down here to where it says create. This will let you create widgets of your own. Or you can come to where it says explore. And in here, these are widget picks. So since we currently have a medium widget set, we want to look for, since we have medium outlay, you want to look for medium widgets. So you just slide through here. There's oodles and oodles of different kind of layouts you can get, and it's pretty cool. So you just go through here and find whatever your heart or whatever design, whatever style you're looking for your widget on your home screen. So let's just go with, let's say we just want this clock, this calendar and clock widget right here. So it shows a moving clock, and then it has the time, and then it has a calendar. So all you would want to do is hit import widget, then hit dismiss. And then you want to go back to your creator page, and it's going to pop the widget up right here. And you can also come in here and tap this. You can edit the widget. If you want to make some changes, you can come in here and edit the widget. If you're okay with the widget, then you do not have to edit it, but you can edit the widget. You can edit as a copy, or you can share the widget. And then it has start in pip mode, so you can see what it would look like. But pretty much once you pick the widget you want, it is going to automatically save to your home screen. But another thing, when you're doing these widgets, you will want to come over to where it says manage. You want to go to manage. You always want to make sure that when you set a widget, if it allows you to use a background, you want to come into setup transparency. So pretty much you would need to go out of this Widgy app and take a screenshot. Go to an empty page, take a screenshot of your empty page. Just want to take a screenshot. I'm not going to do it because I already have a screenshot taken. Take a screenshot, because that is going to be the background of your widget to make it look like it is just floating on your page. So once you do that, you can come back into the app, and it'll say install dark mode shortcuts if you want to, install wallpaper shortcuts and recommendations, or export transparency cutouts. So you come here, click on this, and then you would want to find that background that you took a screenshot of. So it has it for dark mode, but you also can come over here and add it for light mode. So if you're using light mode, it'll look a certain way, but you can either blur your background out or not, but you always will need to take a screenshot of whatever background you're currently using on your wallpaper in order for this to show up. And then you just hit on that. Let me delete this one. Hold on. And just like that, as you can see, it is showing up, but that is not what I actually want. So let's go back into it real quick. Now, sometimes it'll, like I said, sometimes it'll allow you to set your transparent background for the widget. Sometimes it doesn't. You just have to go in here and tinker with it. But this is currently what this one looks like, but it does not match my home screen. But like I said, if there's something that you want, you can just place it there. And if you pay the $8.99 one-time fee, then you'll be able to just have widgets galore on your home screen. So now let's go do an extra large widget. Let's do an extra large widget. And then you just click into the extra large widget. And then you just want to go to explore. So you can find what you want for your extra large widget. So say I wanted this. We can click on that, as you can see. And then we can just hit done. Hold on, let's see here. Click on that. Make sure everything looks good. You always want to import the widget. Then hit dismiss. And then go back to this page here. Click on the widget, and just like that, it's adding the widget. Like I said, some widgets will let you have a background, like this widget allowed me to have a background. Some widgets will allow you to have a background, some widgets won't. And you also, here are the layouts. So you have the small one, you get up to 12 small layout widgets you can use. Your extra large, your large and then your extra large widgets. You can come in here and use widgets on your lock screen, but in order to do that, to use widgets on your lock screen, you can use widgets on your lock screen, but you have to pay and able to have full access to using multiple widgets on your lock screen. You also get, so down here, like I said, you get create, which is going to be this page here. Then you get explore, which you just come in here and find whatever kind of widget layout that you want. Then you come to manage. These are just giving you the different sizes of the widgets and how many widgets you currently have used set up. Then you get goodies. It's just showing you some widget layouts if you want to get an idea on how to like set up your phone and use what different kind of widgets. You can come here and scroll and get into that. Then you get wallpapers. So it has some wallpapers that you can go on and set. And these two modules are actually fairly new, because at first there never was a choice to look at home screen layouts or wallpapers. And then you get your settings app. So over in settings app, you get app icons. You can change the app icon of Widgy if you want to. You get your app language, whatever language you speak. You get clear caches. If you want to come in here and clear some caches, you can. You get your more settings, and this just gives you more access to different things. But overall, this is a nice little widget app to have, just if you want to change up your home screen just a tad bit, so it's not looking bland and boring like a regular iPad. I hope you found this video very helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.